everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm Cassandra. Today I have a review of GlamLite Cake Palette. So if you want to see how I got this look by using this palette, please continue to watch. Okay, we are back, and what we are going to talk about today is the GlamLite Cake Palette, and this is the palette. I love the presentation of the palette. It looks like an oven. Okay, first thing you do, like when you take and open up the oven, you let this down like that. That's part of the oven. And this here is when you're gonna cut it on and off and all that kind of stuff. Okay, hold this up. Now you can see the palette is like a cake now inside the oven. That's the oven. Now we're gonna take the cake outside the oven. See? Okay, let's take the cake out. And here is the cake. And what I like about this palette, I love the outside presentation of it. It is so gorgeous. I love the outside packaging. It is gorgeous. And then if you turn it to the back, right here, it will show you the nutrition facts. Simply gorgeous. I love this palette, at least the presentation. I don't know how the eyeshadows and all work yet, but just the presentation, it is gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna open it up, and right here you get a mirror. Yes, you do get a mirror, and on this side you get the shadows. And like it did have this inside it to cover up to protect the shadows, but you take that off, and there are the shadows. And you have 20 different shades. Okay, so all I'm going to do is just a simple look using this palette. Okay, and while I'm doing this, we're gonna talk about what's going on. So what's going on with you all in the world? For me, my birthday is coming up. Yes, August the 26th is my birthday, and I will be 58 years old. So I can't wait for that day, even though it's on a Wednesday, I think. Yeah, it's on a Wednesday, but I'm celebrating all month long. Yes, I am. I'm getting different packages coming in the mail from my family and friends. They know I love fragrances, so you know I'm gonna have a lot of fragrances. And also, I have already purchased some fragrances, so I can't wait for them to get here too. Okay, the first shade I'm going to use is this one. I'm not going to butcher the name, but it's this one. Okay. So, are you all still social distancing in your state? Because in the state of Alabama, we're still social distancing, and it's also mandatory to wear a mask whenever you go out in public, which I'm glad about that, especially when you're going inside the stores and everything. It needs to be like that, because some people do not believe that this is really going on, so a lot of people don't want to wear their masks. Yep. I mean, even if they don't want to protect themselves, they should want to protect others. I know they got grandparents, they got children, siblings, somebody you might want to protect. But I don't know. People do what they want to do, as we know. What else can we talk about? You all know I recently celebrated also my 31st wedding anniversary, which we had a great time. Which, because of social distancing, we didn't do too much. We did a lot of riding around. We went to Birmingham. We went out to dinner, which was real nice. I think I put some of those pictures on my Instagram. So if you all are not following me, you all need to check out my Instagram in the description section, and I will also put it going across the screen. Yep. There's just so much going on in July, August, and September for me and my husband. Because in September, it's my husband's birthday. We are 2 weeks apart. Our birthdays are 2 weeks apart. And we are both Virgos. Yep. Both of us are Virgos. And I'm still trying to get him to come and do a video with me. But it's been hard trying to get that man to say yes. Okay, I'm going to put in red velvet right here. So, we'll see. I think I told you all that I have a granddaughter that's in her 3rd year of college, and so she decided to she's still in college, but she decided to join the Army National Guard. And so she's been gone for what, 3 months, if not longer. It seemed like it's been a long time, but she recently got back yesterday, and we can't wait to see her. We talked to her on the phone, we FaceTime her, but we are going to where she lives. Her and her husband, we're going to visit them Labor Day weekend. Yep, going to see my grandbaby. And yes, we still will be social distancing. And we will, since we are immediate family, we will still have on our masks regardless. Because I don't want to give her anything, her or her husband, and I don't want them to give me anything. Yep, so I can't wait to see her. So I'm going to add chocolate in the outer. Yep. I mean, this palette is okay. It's okay. It does perform like it needs to. I don't have to work too hard on the colors. And I do have just a little kick up, but I'm heavy-handed, so I knew that was going to happen. Okay, I will be right back with the finished look, okay? Okay, we are back. So what do you all think of the look? I think it came out nice. Like I said, I will leave all the information about GlamLite cake palette in the description section of this video. My thoughts about this palette. I love the story of it. I mean, it was a little bit of fallout, not that much. I love the fact that it got a mirror. I mean, I like the whole presentation of the palette itself. I mean, I like everything about it. Let's put it back, close it back up. It's back in the oven. To me, it's a thumbs up. I will leave the information in the description section of this video or where you can go and the price on this palette. Other than that, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.